Here's a 6-inch Hunter ziplock ceiling fan. I just put it up on the tree. Stand up, bitch. Right there we go. I will twist this to spin. Spin it. It's gonna spin right now. It's 6 inches. That blade right here is sagging right here. I just made it, but it's wobbly too. That's the 8-bell wind chime. That's what I'm making that noise, is bumping my head to it. Here. There. Stop that. No! But right here, it's about a beautiful buffet. It's twisting itself to spin. This ceiling fan, it's a cost about $100. I will get up here and show you the top of the fan. There it is, the top of it. It has 2 blades, but there's only 1 blade left. I put it, just made it 6 inches, like that. Like our Air Plus ceiling fan. This sags. This thing over here, here's my, here's my Gator ceiling fan. That's my Harbor Breeze Mito. Yep, Harbor Breeze Mito. Empty Bay Air Plus 2 ceiling fan. Now we're about to the Hunter ziplock. This ceiling fan is a good fan I just made. The 1 blade's sagging, and 1 blade's normal. But I counted 1 blade. There's only 1 blade on it. But I put it in the middle of the motor. Put it in the middle of the blade. Here's that Hunter desk fan. Hey. Man, that's really cool. Dude. Over here, yeah, we got still right on this bench. Lay on this bench. Here we go. Now, this fan's got pink blade. I thought it was like a great thing.